Hello and welcome to How to Make a Great Presentation for the Young Tata Championship. I'm Navika Chauhan. By now, you know the 5 steps. Choose, research, structure, design and practice. You've already picked your career, so step 1 is done. Now let's move into the 4 other steps. Let's start with step 2, research. The introduction video gave you 5 questions your presentation has to answer. Your research has to find the answers to each one. For a day in the life, go to YouTube, search a day in the life of a and then your career. Watch 2 videos. These are made by people actually doing the job, and watching 2 will give you a deeper look into the career. For the skills it takes, go to LinkedIn. Search up 3 people who do this job today. Read their journey. What skills did they list? What subjects did they take? Their pattern is your answer. For the hardest part, search for one long-form podcast interview on YouTube or Spotify. Someone 10 years into the career speaking honestly. Now that is where you'll hear the real pros and cons of the job. For the money, go to AmbitionBox or Glassdoor. Look up the actual salary range in India. Starting, mid-level, senior. Show the current numbers in your presentation. And for why it excites you, close the laptop. No website answers that one. That answer comes from you. One bonus, if you know someone actually working in this field, maybe a cousin or a neighbor, talk to them. A real conversation will help you understand your career better. And remember, make a lot of notes while you research. Anything that stays with you, anything that excites you, we'll use all of it to build your presentation in step 3. Step 3, structure. Now this is where your research turns into a speech and slides. Because a great presentation isn't just a list of facts, it's a story. And every great story has a structure. For a career presentation, that structure has 4 parts. Feel, understand, trust, inspire. Let's walk through each. Part 1, feel. This is where your class gets pulled into the career. 2 sections, your hook and a day in the life. Your hook is the first 10 seconds, and these first 10 seconds decide whether your class leans forward or tunes out. Let me show you what I mean. Good morning, friends. My topic is aerospace engineer. An aerospace engineer designs rockets or satellites, and today ISRO is doing many big projects. By the second sentence, no one is listening. Now check this out. In 2023, India landed a spacecraft on the south pole of the moon, the first country in the world to do it. The engineers who pulled that off, most of them were in their early 30s. My career is aerospace engineer. Same career, same person. Now everyone is listening. That is a hook, a surprising number, a bold claim, or a fact that makes your class go, wait, really? Then a day in the life. Let them feel the career before they think about it. Part 2, understand. Now show them what it actually takes to build this career, the skills they should take, the subjects they should choose, and the path they should acquire. Part 3, trust. Most student presentations only show the good stuff, the salary, glamour, success. Show the other side too. The early pay is tough. The working hours are very long and the rejections are very real. When you show both sides, your class trusts you. Part 4, inspire. Your personal verdict, your reason why this career excites you. 4 parts, feel, understand, trust, inspire. That is your structure. Step 4, design. You know the rule by now. Your speech is the star. Slides just support you. No long text on slides, ever. Otherwise, your audience will stop listening and start reading. One photo with a title. Simple, clear, and powerful. A timeline that shows your whole career. The audience sees the full journey in one glance. A few short bullet points, not keywords, just sentences that support what you're saying. For a 4-minute presentation, aim for 14 to 16 slides. As shown in the example presentations, we encourage you to use AI tools in your presentation like ChatGPT or Nano Banana to generate slides. And remember, if you want to make your presentation stand out, use your pictures in it. You watching an interview about the field or you visiting a workplace related to the job. Make that presentation your own. Step 5. Practice. You've done this many times before. Memorize your script, stand in front of a mirror, deliver slowly and clearly. Use pauses before your big moments, especially before your personal verdict and hook. Slow down when you want something to land. Use your hands and smile, especially when you're talking about why this career excites you. You need to let the class know that you actually believe in what you're saying. Record yourself once on your phone. Watch it back and fix what doesn't work. And remember, your time limit is 4 minutes. If you're going over, cut content. Do not start speaking faster. So that's it. Choose research, structure, design, and practice. Your teacher will send you a preparation guide. You can also find the link down below. This is your final championship in the All India Rhyme series. Make it count. And remember, these 5 steps don't just end with school. Every time you walk into a room and share an idea, for the rest of your life, these 5 steps will be right there with you. Good luck with your presentation. Bye.